So don't you just hate it? Every time you go in to get your truck serviced, the mechanics start screwing around with your radio, or they unplug the battery and it resets everything and you lose all your points of destination and your maps possibly. All your radio presets are definitely gone. And they always do that when you're working on your car for an oil change. They start screwing with your radio, changing sometimes you get these guys, they change the favorite radio stations into some rap crap, you know, that they all listen to these days. But anyway, I'm going to show you how you could save your settings on your Ram navigation system, or any Dodge navigation system for that matter, and it's going to be using a USB. So as long as you have some sort of a USB device, there you go, like that. I'm not sure how much data is needed or required for this, but I'm going to show you how you can back up your information. Okay, so this is what is involved. Are you ready? So look at the screen. All right, so we got to first go into dealer mode. So what's required to go into dealer mode? You don't press these two buttons down at the bottom, but the very far corners out of reach away from the buttons, and you'll hold them both down on both sides with your fingers there for a couple seconds, and a menu pops up like this. We're going to hit copy, restore data and information. You can see everything is grayed out. All the system options are grayed out here though. So what do? Well, they're all grayed out because we don't have a USB stick in there. We got to put the USB stick in. So let's put this USB stick in there, which I already backed up my settings. But so where are we putting this USB stick? We're going to put it in the USB 1 port here. So you could see USB 1 port is here on the left, and USB 2 on the right over there. And it's kind of dark in the truck right now. I know, I realize that. So but you could see right here, this is my thing here, can't really see right now, but this the one on the left is USB port 1, and it does say that there, and you can see it when it's daylight out. So what are we going to do here? If you notice, I'm just holding the camera up right now. I'm going to plug this in. Now as I plug it in, let me just switch hands that I'm holding this with. As I plug this in, you'll see that some of these grayed out options won't be grayed out options anymore. Let me shut off the light. If I shut off the light, maybe it'll be a little bit easier to see. Plug it in right now. There you go. You see how this one and this one just lit up? So they're showing you that you could copy user data to USB storage 1 device. Depends which device you plug it into, or USB 2, USB 3. Restore user data from SD card. I'm not sure exactly how you do that. Or restore the data from your USB 1 storage device. Okay, so I already did a backup before I did a map update just a little while ago. But you know what? We're going to copy user data to USB storage 1. And I'll just show you how it's done. See if it'll let me do it again. User data copy in progress. Doesn't take long to get done. Just a minute. There we go. User data copy complete. Boom. So now if they ever erase your information or whatever, you keep that USB drive handy. You plug that into the USB drive. You go into these systems. You got to go into dealer mode like that, and then you know, pull up the copy restore user data from SD or USB, and then you'll after that USB is plugged in, then you just hit restore from the USB storage device, and that's all to it. Okay, so you're welcome for that. All right, yeah, that's just a quick, easy little tutorial there for you guys. Just wanted to share. Thanks. Bye.